Thank you for checking out the EKKO EK25G Li, the 5,000-pound solid pneumatic electric 80-volt forklift that we have in stock. I first want to show you the compartment. The nice thing about this compartment is everything's easy access. The electronic components are up to where the mechanic can get to it. Very easy to diagnose anything or maintain anything. Your pump motor's right here. Very accessible, and of course your 80-volt battery is right on that side. Not a problem. Very easy to get to. A lot of room to work on it. Not that you have to, but if you need to. So we got that, and want to talk about one other thing that I forgot. This pin in the back. It's a small feature, but a nice feature. Very easy to access and easy to keep it from getting lost because of a little handle on the unit. Then wanted to talk about the overhead guard and the features of the lights. We have a strobe light, a backup alarm, tail lights, turn signals, and a pedestrian light, as well as a mirror, all standard on this particular vehicle. Very nice features. The other thing that we have is we have what's called the fourth function, which is an option for everybody else. We include that, and it's plumbed up through the mast to the carriage. So all you have to do is hook it up with a quick disconnect to your carriage there, and you can add any hydraulic attachment that you like. The next thing that I want to talk about is the suspension seat. Very nice feature, because as your riders are riding on this, you get fatigued. This has got a suspension seat, so you can do some adjustments while you're riding, backwards, forwards, up and down, and firm of the seat. The next thing we're going to talk about is the performance modes of this truck. Because it's an 80-volt truck, we have three options. This is a common display that comes up with a battery discharge indicator, miles per hour, and hours on the forklift. And then we have options of speed, which is either P, E, or S. S for slow, E for economy, P for performance. We got that going. So very unique situation. I do want to do one thing and just show you the speed of this truck lifting. Very quiet, very easy to operate, no clunking between the mast. Got a side shift on this truck, all standard. Comes down relatively quick. All the fittings are accessible. The visibility in the upright is very good for a 3-stage with the side shift. Please contact your EKKO material handling dealer or contact us and we can refer you to a dealer. Thank you for checking out the EKKO line.